Put your hand in your mouth. Talk to your mama. Talk to your mama. Say, oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. What happened? Tell me a story. Tell me a story. Yeah? What happened? You stop talking, don't you? You stop talking. Oh, there's that box. Ba-ba-ba.
I'm just going to eat my fingers.
You're not going to talk? Oh, don't pull her. Hi. Hi. Say I'm cute even if I don't talk on command. Hi, Chunks. Hi, Chunks.
Don't take a picture of Mommy.
What's Daddy doing?
Hey, girly girl. How
Say
you
hi.
doing? Oh, that's good pictures, though. You're looking right at the camera.
You'd say hi? You were just talking up a storm. Oh, your sister gave me kisses.
I did give her.
Oh, no kisses. Just hugs. Yeah. Just hugs. I know. Is that wonderful? Yeah? Is that wonderful? I know. What else? What else happened? You tell Mama? You tell me? You're moving and grooving. Oh, your sister's giving you dirty hugs. Just don't push on her head, honey. Huh? Yeah. Yay! Happiness! Yay! Happiness! Okay.